Christine Otieno is a highly respected gospel musician from Kenya, known for her spiritually uplifting songs that resonate with both local and international audiences. Singing primarily in her native Luo language and Swahili, Christine blends traditional African rhythms with contemporary gospel sounds, creating a unique musical style that connects with listeners across Kenya and beyond. Christine's music is deeply rooted in her Christian faith. Her songs often center on the themes of praise, worship, salvation, and personal perseverance, making them a source of inspiration for many. With over 100 songs to her name, her soulful voice and heartfelt delivery have set her apart in the gospel music industry, gaining significant recognition in the contemporary African gospel music scene. Some of her most popular songs include Yesu Teko, praises the power of Jesus, encouraging believers to rely on his strength during difficult times; Oloyo Lueny, a celebratory song about overcoming life's challenges through God's help, meaning he has won the battle; Kaok in Nyasaye highlights the importance of God's grace in guiding believers through tough times; Tie Mar Yesu, which invites listeners to trust Jesus for protection and guidance; Simba, which refers to Jesus as the Lion of Judah, symbolizing divine strength; Wasigu Bagni, which urges Christians to remain faithful because their enemies are stammering and powerless. Similarly, Christine Otieno has an expanded song list including Kaok Nyasaye, which is a powerful worship song that has become a staple in Luo gospel music; Olemo, which translates to fruit, emphasizing God's blessings and fruitful life in Jesus; Yesu Emanyalo, a Christmas song focusing on the power and grace of Jesus during the holiday season; Ololo, a vibrant and celebratory gospel song that emphasizes joy and victory in faith; Injili Pinyigema, an inspirational song about the power of the gospel to bring life and change to the world; Nitabaki Nawe, Yesu Uololo, Shoka, and Injili Obagni. One of Christine's strengths is her ability to connect with diverse audiences by singing in Luo and Swahili. This not only showcases her cultural roots but also allows her to reach different communities across Kenya. Her music reflects traditional values and Christian teachings, appealing to both older and younger generations. By infusing modern gospel elements with traditional rhythms, Christine ensures that her sound remains fresh and relatable. Also, Christine's growing discography is widely available on platforms like YouTube, where fans can stream her uplifting tracks. Her significant presence on digital platforms allows her to connect with fans worldwide. Christine has graced various stages across the country, inspiring many through her live performances. Her energetic and soulful delivery leaves a lasting impression on her audience, making her a beloved figure in the Kenyan gospel scene. Her music is widely used in church worship, personal devotions, and Christian gatherings, where her messages of resilience, praise, and thanksgiving resonate deeply. Throughout her career, Christine Otieno has been recognized with numerous awards for her contributions to the gospel music, including the Groove Awards, Kibali Awards, Impact Awards, and Heroine by Head of State Commendation in 2020. Christine Otieno's work continues to inspire faith, resilience, and worship among her listeners. As one of the leading voices in Kenya's gospel music industry, she remains committed to spreading the message of God's love and power. Through her musical journey, Christine is building a lasting legacy as a key figure in contemporary African gospel music. Her influence is evident not only in her music, but also in her ability to bridge cultural gaps, bringing people together through worship and praise. With her unique blend of Luo and Swahili lyrics, Christine continues to solidify her place as one of Kenya's most respected gospel musicians. Christine Otieno has also supported her community through various initiatives focusing on education, health, and empowerment. She has been involved in various programs that provide access to educational resources, mentorship for young people, and health awareness campaigns. Additionally, she has engaged in activities that promote women's rights and economic opportunities, helping to uplift marginalized groups and foster community resilience. In recognition of her remarkable contributions to music and her positive impact on society, Christine Otieno will be awarded an honorary doctorate on October 19, 2024. You can find her on all social media platforms including Instagram at Christine Otieno, X or formerly known as Twitter at Christine Otie 201 and TikTok at Christine Otieno.